Good morning guys. Today's video I will cook shrimp with vegetables. First garlic and onion. So next the shrimp. Next put some seasoning first. The roasted garlic and herbs. Next, the black pepper. And next, the Laris. Next, cook for only 5 minutes. So next, I will put the mushroom and bell pepper. And then I will put the seasoning, the dill seasoning, just a little bit, and mixed. And cook for only 5 minutes again.
That wind was pretty wicked. It pulled the leaves off.
So just medium heat, guys. And then I will put the broccoli and bell pepper. And then after mix the vegetables, I will add a little bit of roasted garlic and herbs. This is so good for the shrimp, guys. And mixed. So when the broccoli is cooked, so I will turn off the heat. Maybe just only 5 minutes again. It's so delicious. This is my own recipe, guys. I hope you like my recipe and enjoy watching my videos. Almost done. Maybe the mushroom is cooked already, so I will wait until the broccoli is fully cooked. Cover. Cook for only 5 minutes for the broccoli, and then it's done. So this is my final recipe, guys, for my shrimp with vegetables. I hope you all enjoy watching my videos, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Thank you, guys. God bless you all.